welcome! It's Sarah B. and I have a Nadine West package to open and I'm super excited. So join me as we'll see what's inside. Spoilers, I do know because I went to check my tracking and it lists everything. But I haven't seen them in person and I haven't tried them on. So we will enjoy this experience together. Nadine West is a clothing subscription service. Instead of a styling fee, you just pay shipping. It's $10, $9.98 or something. And that gets credited towards whatever you choose to keep. If you choose to keep nothing, you lose your $10. So the goal is to not lose my $10. Let's see what's inside. They come in these delightfully colored packages. So I could see my mail person coming from down the road today and I was very excited because it's hard to miss the bright pink. Okay, so you get a return label. You use the same bag to ship it back in. Oh my god. And a price list, like what everything is in the price list. It's Nadine West markets itself as accessible, affordable clothes. The most expensive item in here is $17. That's pretty great. All right, so let's see. We have one bundle, two bundles, and tags already hanging out. All right. Just dig in. Oh my gosh. This is the one I was excited about when I saw it on the interwebs. A dark blue shirt. But it's tapered and has like a wide band at the bottom. I find that very interesting. There's also just like this horizontal stripe that goes through it. It's by Hippie Chic, which is a brand I was not familiar with. Right, one item. If you saw my last video from Nadine West, this is only my second bag from them. If you saw my last video from Nadine West, you know that I only got 2 pieces of clothes. I think that was it. And then like 5 accessories. So that I can already see I have 3 items of clothing. It's pretty great compared to last time. Simple gray shirt. Nothing extraordinary about it. It is rather long in as a t-shirt, and I do enjoy that. And the material is actually quite thick and nice. But otherwise, just a gray plain t-shirt from Zenana Outfitters? Zenana. Zenana Outfitters. Alright, we'll try that on too. What fell to my feet is a necklace. A simple like bar necklace. It's silver. By Fresh and Company. If you've been watching me at all, you know that I only ever wear one piece of jewelry, so I could definitely use some updates to my jewelry. I got this, I won't tell you how long ago. And then there's a pretty bracelet, which does actually fit over my enormous hand. With like silver with sparkles in it. Alright, one more piece of, that was going to be terrible if I couldn't get it off. Alright, one more piece of clothing. This is what I'm curious and hesitant about. I in my sneak ways online. They're a pair of pants, but they're like really flared, and I can't tell whether they're meant to be worn like running errands or just like bumming around the house. But I guess you can wear things however you want to wear things. They're also from Zenana Premium, but they look super comfy. They look really comfy. They feel really comfy. All right, time to try things on and see what I think. Outfit number 1. This is both Zenana pieces and Zenana. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm really sorry. Excuse me. And you guys, I feel like I could just curl up with some tea and a book and be like the comfiest, coziest I've ever been. The shirt is really, I mean, it's a t-shirt, but it's long, which I really like. A lot of t-shirts land like here on me, so it's long. It's a thick, like heavy material. So many are like paper thin these days, which is fine if you're layering it, but it's not my goal. And the pants are like yoga pants, except they're like really like baggy and comfy. I think I love them. Yeah, so outfit number 1. I am not disappointed. Let's see what else is in store. And here's the dark blue top. It has like bell sleeves and is cut in such a way that I would have totally never chosen for myself. Like ever. But now that I have it on, I kind of am digging it. The whole premise for me starting to try these subscription boxes was because I have a professional conference coming up and I had no professional clothes. And I think I could totally pull this off in a professional setting, in a very me way that I could also wear to run errands and teach and do whatever it is I'm gonna do. I'm not like over the moon about it, but the more I have it on, the more I'm like really liking it. All right, now let's see how much everything costs and what the breakdown is, and figure out what I'm really in love with or not. All right, back in a jiff. All right, and now how much does it all add up to? All right, line by line. The blue top, the shell, it's called shell, blue top, $12.99. $12.99. That seems like a price that I could take a risk on. And if I only wear it once or twice, I got my $12.99. But, all right. The basic black, well, charcoal VT. It's $11.99, which is about the cost of a plain V-neck tee, I think. It's been a while since I bought clothes, you guys, which is why I'm doing this. And the bottoms, the black bottoms, are so soft and cozy. $11.99 for cozy pants. I think that's pretty good. But let me know if I'm way off base. The necklace, the Raising the Bar silver necklace, is the most expensive thing in here. It's $16.99. $17. $16.99. most expensive piece in the whole bag. And the bracelet, called Radiant Band, because it's sparkly, is $9.49. So altogether, if I were to buy the whole bag, it's about $70 minus the $10 I already paid for shipping. I'm not going to keep the whole bag. Unlike Stitch Fix, there's no like whole bag discount or anything if you do. But these prices are also very different from Stitch Fix prices. So it's not a knock against Nadine West. I don't think I'm going to keep the jewelry. I'm not in love with either of it enough. And if the choice comes between getting, you know, a $17 necklace or a $12 pair of comfiest pants I've ever worn, I think I know who's going to win. But I always react quickly and send things back before I get feedback, and then I regret it. So I'm going to wait for as long as I can and get feedback, and then I will put my styling sense into your hands, oh YouTube. So let me know what you think I should keep. Budget, comfort, and how much use I'm going to get out of these different items is all like factoring in my brain. The purpose was for business clothes. However, there's some really comfy clothes in here too. So let me know what you think. Like other subscription services, you have a pretty short window to get your act together and to send back what you don't want so that they can worry about the billing and that kind of thing. Second bag from Nadine West. Considerably better than my first bag. But again, I think that that's how these services are supposed to go, as they get to know you better and your tastes and your styles, and you give them very good feedback, because you can leave feedback for each piece. The better your bags get. So if this was 2, I'm very excited to see what 3 may bring. But let me know what you think. Leave a comment, and I will appreciate any wisdom that you have to share. I hope you're all well, and until next time.